Hey guys, how's it going? I'm gonna show you guys a trading strategy I have for ChartZip trading indicators on US 30. And what I usually do is I check the 4 hour, and what's cool about ChartZip is that it draws out these lines, tops and bottoms, for you. So you really know like if you're getting in at a good price or not. So I usually check the 4 hour and see if, oh, and then I go on the hourly to get a good price move because yeah, it's really good on the hourly. I usually look for bearish and bullish divergences using chart zip drifts. So here's a good example of a bearish divergence. This hump created a lower low than the last hump, so I would have shorted right here. And chart zip trends that has these. Another indicator that chart zip has is chart zip trends. It creates these green circles when it's bullish. You can get really good trend reversals using this indicator because you could also scroll down to the 5 minute and it works really well because you would have longed right here, shorted right here. You would have made that good price move and then another short. What's good about this indicator is it's really good for trending. Like, because most indicators would say like buy right here or buy right here, but it's still going down, you know? So you can just ride out these big waves using chart zip trends. And if you guys want access to these indicators, go on www.chartzip.net. Thank you guys very much.